is a Caulfield service stop, all stations to Caulfield. Next stop will be Glen Huntley. We're here at Ormond. It's very quiet and echoey. It's like semi-underground, that part's overground, this part's the underground part. Echo! Oh, it doesn't do it like I thought it would, but it sure does sound like that. We're filming 2 trains from now. So this will be a longer vlog compared to the other Frankston Line vlogs today. I think today's the 13th, Monday 13th. Not sure, actually. Yeah, it is. But yeah. Kinda reminds me of Box Hill if it was half underground, half overground. Yeah. Quite a bit of graffiti here. Like I remember coming here. I was gonna do a vlog here earlier. I actually filmed here like twice and the upload didn't work. If all my uploads worked, I would probably have 300 vlogs by now. I used to make so much more. But now they all work, so it's easier. Thanks guys. Should be vlog 100 and something, I don't know. Maybe 110. Yeah, I don't know.
Service to depart from platform 1 will be the 314 Caulfield, stopping all stations to Caulfield. And always remember to touch on the lighting at the start of your journey.
600 AM is leading this comment set. Seaman set arriving. Also, we have a comment departing to, I don't know which one to film. I'm just gonna run over here actually. Tell you the record, comment and I'll hop on this train. 371 hours.